We're making Bobby's beef and mushroom casserole. We're gonna start with some beef that I already browned. Put that in there. Kind of get it spread around just for a second. Oops. And now we got some sliced mushrooms we're gonna throw in there with it. I'm gonna add about a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. Gonna do about the same worth of salt. Don't be shy on the seasonings, y'all. And some cracked pepper. All right, so we're gonna let all that saute together, get those mushrooms kind of sauteed on there for a minute.
Dang, it looks nice.
Yeah, so we got the mushrooms all sauteed in there. So now that we got those sauteed, we're gonna add some tomato sauce. We got a can of tomato sauce. Add that in there. And then we got some Worcestershire. Kind of do at your own discretion, however much you like. That's probably good for me. Okay, then we're gonna stir that together. You wanna let that simmer for about 3 minutes or so before we go on to the next little part. All right, so we let that simmer for a few minutes. All right, we're gonna come over here to our mixing bowl. And we got 8 ounces of egg noodles that I already had prepared, ready to go. We're gonna put that in there. Make sure I can kind of break it up, make sure it's not all clumpy. Then we're gonna take that mixture that we just made and dump it in there. Just let it pop on in. Looking good. Then just kind of stir that in there together. And then next we're going to take some fire diced and roasted tomatoes. Throw that in there. We're going to take half of this sharp cheddar shredded cheese. 8 ounces, put that in there. So that's about 1 cup of cheddar cheese. You're going to save the other half for later. We're going to take about a handful of these green onions, kind of at your discretion. Throw it in there. I like green onions, so I'm going to be kind of generous with it. There we go. And then we're going to take how much is it? 8 ounces of sour cream.
Okay.
Just use your spoon to get all the little remainder into there. Alrighty. So we're going to mix all that together. Make sure the noodles and all the other ingredients are just mixed in there nice, and the sour cream. This smells good. All right, so we got that nice and stirred up. We're gonna put this in our 9x13 baking dish here. You got the holidays, you got family coming over soon. This is a great one to cook. It's easy to put together. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna take the second half of that cheese that we had and just put it over the top. Just kind of spread it all around there. There we go, pretty good. All right, so we got the oven preheated at 350. We're gonna take it over there. We're gonna put it in the oven for 30 minutes.
Okay.
This takes 30 minutes, y'all. All right, let's check out Bobby's beef. Ooh. That is looking good, brother.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Ooh, nice golden brown on top. All right, let's give this thing a try. Get a look at that.
Look at that.
Whoa. All right, I'm ready to take a bite. I'm hungry, man. I need lunch. Lemon's hungry too, apparently.
She is.
Or thirsty.
Thirsty, yeah. Y'all hear her slopping?
Yo, that is really good. I ain't even lying to you. Gotta try it.